I am not regularly a false lash wearer, but there are times when false lashes are not only useful and helpful, but also really fun to wear. So I've been wearing them a little bit lately. For my reasoning is because I suffered a little bit of eyelash loss. So I'm just wearing them temporarily until my lashes grow back in. But it got me thinking about times that I would wear these, and it would be if I was having my picture taken for something really formal or fancy, or if I had a fun event to go to and I just wanted to do something different with my makeup. False lashes would give me a very dramatically different look from what my original lashes provide for me. So I wanted to film this quick video showing you how I apply them if you are also new at false lashes. So again, that's kind of my disclaimer. I am not an expert. I am sure there are experts on YouTube that do it much better than I do. I just wanted to show you my method as someone that I just need them. I want something really natural looking. I just need them on and to look as natural as possible with the fact that they're false lashes. All right, I'm going to show you how to do it in this video, but if you want to know the type of lashes I'm using, the best glue I've ever used for false lashes, and all of those other details, do go visit the blog post that is affiliated with this video. So if you're watching this on YouTube, just click the link to the blog post right below this video. If you're watching this on the blog, all the information will be right there for you. So you will need eyelashes and of course eyelash glue. You will need scissors, and it's also helpful to have tweezers nearby to help push down certain corners, and then a Q-tip could also be helpful as well. So remove the lashes from the container and then hold it up to your eye to determine if it's too long. Mine usually need the little ends snipped off, and you always want to take off the outer corner. Then using your glue, apply it directly to the band, making sure you're putting extra glue on both corners. So holding the lash with your fingers and the tweezers, press it right against the base of your lashes, adhering it to as close as you can to the base of your lashes, but the goal is to hit the skin. You can see I use my fingers to kind of press the lash right against my skin. I don't want the glue to really sit on my lashes because I don't want to struggle when I'm removing the lashes later, but the closer you can get to where your lashes grow out from your eyelid, the more natural the false lashes will look. Something I do that I don't think most people do is put a little mascara on the false lashes after they've been applied and are set. I've let the glue dry. This I find helps them look a little bit more realistic, like I'm wearing mascara, and it gives them a bit more definition since I usually pick very natural lashes to begin with. So you can see here I have eyeliner on. I had that eyeliner on before I put the lashes on, and that helps the band kind of disappear a little bit. And as the glue dries, those little white marks will continue to disappear. So it can be relatively quick, as you saw. I think a lot of that is just doing it a couple times. You'll get more in the rhythm of it. But for me, the key is finding eyelashes that look really natural, because I don't want something very dramatic and I don't want them to be heavy. The thicker, longer, more dramatic lashes you get, the heavier they will be, the more you'll feel them on your eye. I have gotten to the point where on days that I'm wearing them, I don't even feel them on my eye, and that is a big win for me. So if you want to know, like I said, more details about the products I was using here, go visit the blog post. You'll find links to everything there along with a few more details. And I do hope this was helpful, and let me know if you have more questions in the comments of the blog post, and I will try and answer them there.